25. Can you figure out the output of the following program? Script language is equal to JavaScript in double quotes, where A, B, R. A is equal to prompt, enter a number, double quotes in brackets. B is equal to prompt, enter another number, double quotes in brackets. R is equal to A plus B, alert R in brackets, /script. Converting strings to integers. Prompt always returns the values as strings. Numbers entered through prompt are treated as strings, but if we apply arithmetic operators such as multiplication, division, and subtraction and percentage to them, they are auto-converted to number types. But in case of plus operator, the handling of values returned by prompt is different. Since plus functions as addition as well as concatenation operator, when prompt returns any numbers entered by the user, the numbers are concatenated instead of getting added. In such case, numbers need to be explicitly converted into their numeric equivalents. This is done by a JavaScript function parseInt. See the modified version of above program to add two numbers returned by prompt. Script language is equal to JavaScript in double quotes, where A, B, R. A is equal to prompt, enter a number, double quotes, brackets. B is equal to prompt, enter another number, double quotes, brackets. A is equal to parseInt A in brackets. B is equal to parseInt B in brackets. R is equal to A plus B, alert R, /script. ParseInt takes the value to be converted into integer as parameter and returns its numeric equivalent. Numbers returned by prompt as strings are converted into integers by parseInt function. Now instead of concatenation, adding operation will occur and numbers will be added. Converting integers to strings. Numbers can be converted into their string equivalent by using toString. For example, where A is equal to 100, semicolon, where B is equal to A dot toString, bracket, semicolon. Here variable B is string type since value 100 is converted into string type 100. Concatenation in JavaScript. We have seen that plus operator is used for addition. Plus operator can also be used with strings to concatenate them. This helps in designing user output. For example, HTML body script language is equal to JavaScript in double quotes, where A, B, R. A is equal to prompt, enter a number, double quotes in brackets. B is equal to prompt, enter another number, double quotes in brackets. A is equal to parseInt A, B is equal to parseInt B in brackets. R is equal to A plus B, R is equal to R dot toString brackets. Alert, the answer is in double quotes plus R, /script, /body, /HTML. Writing simple functions. We have seen two functions, alert and prompt, which are the part of JavaScript library. We can define our own functions to perform a particular task. Functions which are not the part of JavaScript library but defined by the user are called user-defined functions. Let us look at the modified version of an earlier example to understand the concept. Version 1, HTML body script language is equal to JavaScript in double quotes, alert hello in double quotes, brackets, /script, /body, /HTML. Version 2, HTML body script language is equal to JavaScript in double quotes, function greet, brackets, parentheses, alert hello, exclamation mark, double quotes, function defined, curved brackets closed, greet, function called, /script/body/html. In the revised version, the responsibility of displaying hello is given to the function greet defined by user. Notice that a function needs to have a unique name preceded by the keyword function. Function greet. Function's definition has its own block defined by the pair of curved brackets. Function greet, brackets, curved brackets. Within its block, function contains all the statements which need to be executed by that function. Function greet, brackets, open curved bracket, alert hello exclamation mark in double quotes, brackets close, curved brackets closed. Functions do not execute until they are called by their name. Once defined, functions can be called to execute as many times as and whenever required anywhere in the program. Did you notice how greet is called after its definition? Yes, by its name followed by the pair of parentheses. Simple event handling. Imagine you're busy reading a book and suddenly the phone rings. Phone rings is an event. There are two possible responses to it. You will answer the call or you will not. These responses are called event handling. Event. An event is an interrupt that occurs due to user action or software application. For example, button click, mouse click, key pressed on the keyboard, etc. JavaScript helps in adding interactivity to the web pages using event handling. Event handler. When an event occurs, JavaScript calls a function in response to it. For example, when user clicks on a button, JavaScript would call a function that would display a message. Event handling. To handle an event, you need to identify the event you desire to handle and write a function to run in response to that event. Most common events in JavaScript are related to mouse and keyboard. Then the event is bound with a function to run when that event is raised. To bind an event with a function, following is the syntax. Event underscore name is equal to function underscore name parentheses in double quotes. All the events are available as attributes of various tags in HTML. Activity 1. Change text color when mouse pointer comes over it and goes away. Let us write some text in font tag. Font ID is equal to my text, size is equal to 7, color is green. On mouse enter is equal to do underscore enter parentheses in double quotes. On mouse out is equal to do underscore out parentheses in double quotes. Welcome/font. Notice how the events are mentioned as attributes of font tag. The value of each attribute is the name of a function you need to code in JavaScript later. You can give any valid name to the functions. Here, for example, when mouse will enter the text welcome, a function named do underscore enter parentheses will run. Let us assume that when mouse pointer comes over the text, it will turn red, and when mouse pointer goes away, it will turn back to green color. How will JavaScript access font tag to change its color? The ID attribute in font tag. ID identifies the font tag uniquely. Here the ID of font tag is my text. ID attribute should have unique values throughout your HTML code. No two tags should have same ID unless you want to manipulate them together. Let us write function do underscore enter parentheses. Function do underscore enter parentheses, curved brackets, my text dot color is equal to red in double quotes, curved brackets close. Here, my text is the ID of font tag.